Sledgehammer and citric acid. This is after 4 days ish. The water is brown. Here it is again. I think I see flakes of the old green paint. Also, the acid seems to be eating away at the metal itself, not only the rust. So this is what the sledgehammer head looks like after having spent 4 days in citric acid and being brushed with a steel brush. There's a small number here. I can't discern the numbers. 32 maybe. Don't know what that means. I've made a handle for it. It looks like this. And I've almost fitted the handle to the head. So I've beaten the shaft in place. Here is the wedge. It's probably spruce. It may be, it's not the densest of woods. I'm going to apply some glue to it. I'm going for a non-water soluble glue. The glue has been applied. The wedge has been beaten into the sledge handle. The morning after, I will remove the wedge with a saw. Done. I've bought this metal wedge. The brand is S-Fix. It's a number 5. It looks suspiciously like cast iron, which is slightly ominous. I think I will try to insert it slightly, well, not along the other wedge, simply, so in order to lock the wood wedge in place. Well, now it's done. I guess it wasn't cast iron after all. It went in fine, without cracking, that is. My son chose white for the head. He's only 2.5 years old, but in his defense, it makes the tool easier to find. Clear coat. I can see the writing now. I think it says PRM below the numbers, that is. The sledge is now done. I've applied 2 layers of oil to the shaft. I saw that there is some wear on the head. I believe that wear was actually caused by my father's maternal grandfather, since this sledge runs in the family. Also, there are some ships missing over here.